Good day, viewers. Walter here. Yesterday I got out here and cut a whole lot of that red tip bush. Those trees by my driveway were really red tip bushes. And I bought them in 1 gallon buckets. Little small bushes. I call them red tips. I don't know the proper name of them. They're used for lining around driveways and flower beds or whatever. But in 1983, that's all it was, a 1 gallon container. Now I've trimmed these bushes and trees several times over the years. If I'd have known they'd grow this big, I would have never planted them. Well, today I got out here, I didn't film it, but I had a huge pile of limbs right there where we were looking. I filled up the back of my green pickup truck, my Ford pickup truck, twice and hauled it. I worked out here a good 3 hours today hauling them limbs off. So when I get ready to do that other red tip, I'm not going to do it right now. Not in this heat. It's been a hot one today. I guess the next thing I'll start working on is up and down that fence line over there, because I want to cut the trees off that fence line when I get to cut them down with my lawnmower. The limbs got to where they hang right in my way. I thought we'd take a look at besides the update on my limbs that I hauled off today, I thought we'd look at my zinnia bushes. Now they've just started blooming. They'll bloom even more. It's looking kind of cloudy. Maybe we're going to get some rain. I wouldn't bet on it though, so I'll go ahead and squirt a little water on my tomato plants while I'm out here. Basically, I just wanted to do a little update on my limbing project. I've realized how far I've let these trees and bushes and stuff get out of control around here. And I realize it's going to take me quite a bit of work this summer to get all these trees limbed up. That one there sure has made a big change. I need to do something with this crepe myrtle bush right here closest to me. I don't know whether to trim it up a lot or just let it continue to grow. It's already got so tall. Practically out of control, but when it gets really heavy with blooms in the fall, that tree will be bending right over to the ground. That's a crepe myrtle. I'll pan around and take a look at the clouds that are coming in on me. They really don't look like rain clouds. We could get a little thunder shower. The blooms on that hydrangea sure have popped out. My wife wanted me to take some pictures, some photographs of the hydrangea. That's what I'm doing right now.